Hello, I'm Dr. Moria Levy, and I want to speak today with you on the AI human augmentation case study. So we all know that AI has arrived, and we all know that it's much more than a buzzword. However, as business people and as managers, we also understand, we really know it, that we don't want our experts to turn invisible in this journey. We do appreciate AI, but we have this gut feeling that the expert's knowledge is unpriceable and it cannot be replaced by any machine. So we really want in this journey to get the advantages of the AI, but not to lose the advantages of our experts and their saying on the way. That is where I want to share with you a case study of AI human augmentation, where we join together the advantages of the AI, not leaving the experts aside. This is a case study of the National Insurance Organization of Israel. So let's start by explaining what the business need is. We have applicants that are seeking for rights and money. On the other hand, we have an NIS that runs these medical boards to decide on the eligibility of each one and one of the applicants. Now you can imagine you have a long table with so many doctors, with so many professions, and case by case, they have to decide who deserves what. In order to run such medical boards, someone in advance has to take a professional decision as to what doctors to invite to each medical board, how to organize these medical boards that the doctors won't be sitting still waiting for their time, won't be invited with no need, won't be missing. And that sounds easy, but when you have hundreds and hundreds of different professions and different types of doctors that should be considered, that decision is not easy at all. And that is where we needed AI. But really, why did we need AI? Never count on AI if you don't really need it. And when I say that we needed AI, it was because before, when we worked manually, we had over 20% of unrequired, unneeded doctors that were invited to medical board meetings. That means that these doctors were invited, their time was wasted, money was wasted, and they didn't help at all. We also had over 25% of doctors that were missing when the medical board meetings took place, because when a specific case was dealt with, all of a sudden say, yes, but we have to understand this perspective and that angle, and some doctor was missing on the way. So the bottom line was that we had money waste, time waste, and of course low customer satisfaction, bringing the people again to another board meeting because their request could not be fulfilled or even rejected on the first time. So we're speaking about an augmentation solution. But when we're speaking about augmentation solutions, we need not only the customer, not only the IT AI company, like in this case KPMG, but we need also in the joint team someone who will glue them and bring in the experts, the knowledge, perspective, and that would be home. So we're speaking about a process where the expert's knowledge is captured, when AI machine learning model is developed. But you may see the arrow on my slide, the arrow representing the fact that it is not just one after the other. The training of a machine, that is the main process how you develop a machine learning model, is bidirectional. The experts are involved in again and again in this training process in order to produce a model that works, that gives suitable answers to the question. to the task that is required. What did we result after? Also, after we have an augmentation model, we have a business model shift where on one hand it's a human decision, but this decision is based on machine recommendation. For example, which doctors to invite for each case? Is the applicant required to join? Should the meeting be physical, virtual? What is this time slot that is taken for each case? Should it be short or long? Of course, it changes, it differs regarding to the case. So if before we had some problems, after we can say that not only the business model was shifted, but now we have less unrequired doctors that are invited to medical board meetings, much less missing doctors on the new medical board meetings. We don't have yet the exact numbers, but we are seeing everyone smile. We're seeing the doctor smile, we're seeing the NIS smile, we're seeing the customer smile, because we have reduced money waste, reduced time waste, and higher customer satisfaction. So AI may be a bridge taking us all to the future. And this future resides not only in AI, but in some very delicate AI human-machine augmentation. And we here, I representing Rom, are very happy to serve as the bridge, connecting the businesses to this boundless future. Because with this boundless future, we can do more, much more, and with less money. So I welcome you all to join the journey. I'm here to your service, Moria Levy,